Can I use a microwave to soften hardened sugar?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common kitchen dilemma, hardened sugar. Ever opened your sugar container and found a brick instead of those free-flowing grains? Fret not. Let's explore if you can use a microwave to soften that stubborn sugar.
Why does sugar harden?
Before we delve into the solution, let's understand the problem. Sugar hardens because it's hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the environment. When sugar absorbs moisture, it can clump together and become solid. This can happen due to humidity or if sugar gets exposed to a bit of liquid and then left unused for a while.
Can I use a microwave?
Absolutely, yes. A microwave can be a quick fix to soften hardened sugar. But you have to be careful, as sugar can melt or even burn if heated for too long.
How do I soften sugar in the microwave?
1. Place the hardened sugar in a microwave-safe bowl. 2. Dampen a microwave-safe paper towel with water, then wring out any excess moisture. 3. Cover the sugar with the damp paper towel. This will provide the needed moisture without directly wetting the sugar. 4. Microwave on a medium setting for 20 to 30 seconds. 5. Check the sugar. If it's still hard, repeat the process in short intervals until it softens. Be sure not to overdo it to prevent melting. And that's how you can revive your hardened sugar with the help of a microwave. I hope this trick helps you out the next time you face this sweet predicament. Until next time, happy cooking and baking!